Hey, it's Doug from the Rise Above Gym channel. And did your day get away from you and you don't have time for a workout? Well, I have a very quick and effective workout for you that you might be able to sneak in and not feel bad about missing it. Let's check it out. This happened to me yesterday. I had my day laid out. I'm a very structured person, but then things got in the way and I wasn't able to do my proper workout or what I had in mind. So I said, okay, I got about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. I'm gonna warm up quickly and then I'm just gonna do a kettlebell circuit. And I just kind of made it in my head. I wanted a full body workout and a little bit of cardio. So I made 2 blocks. The first block is gonna be 3 exercises. It's gonna be a kettlebell swing. It's gonna be a kettlebell squat, and then we're gonna press. So I did double bells. You can do single. You can do however many reps you want. You can rest as long as you want. I'll show one round and I'll kind of tell you what I did. So the first thing I did was 5 double swings. Then I racked them up and I did 5 squats. And then I did 5 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I set the bells down. I walked around a little bit. I rested about 45 seconds. I didn't time it strictly. As I got more sets in, I rested less. And then I did 4 rounds total. So that's a total of 60 reps for that block. After I did that first block, I wanted to round everything out. So I needed a little bit of pressing horizontally. I wanted to do a little bit of back work, which is a little bit tough for the kettlebells. And then I also wanted to do some single leg. So what I did was I did a push-up, Renegade row, cleans. I just wanted something a little dynamic. And then I did a racked lunge or alternating lunges. I did these for 10 total reps. Again, you can use double bells or you can do single side and just do half and half or however you want to do it. The workout is up to you. So I'll just run through a round. I'll go 10 push-ups. Then I'll go 10 total Renegade Rows, 5 on each side. I like a wide base so I don't trip. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm gonna go 10 cleans. I'm gonna try not to bust my microphone here. And 10. And then I kept them racked and I did lunges, total of 10. All right, then I set the bells down. I did that 3 more times, rested a little bit longer in between. Those are cardiovascularly challenging. And then I got all my reps in. I think it was like 220 total for the workout. Not a lot of time, maybe 20 minutes. And I felt like I got a great workout in, maybe not pure strength or pure endurance, but I got it done. So if you're pressed for time, there's no excuse. Grab a bell, grab 2, make up your blocks, do these blocks, do them for 1 round, do them for 4 like I did. The rules are not specific, but you gotta get it in to keep going. So I wanna thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like it down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you have any future topics, put them down in the comments. Get after it and we'll see you next time.